Hi, good afternoon, guys. As usual, we are posting many videos, lifestyle videos, trekking videos, and review videos. Today we have a lifestyle video that is about cooking a cake. We cook many things, but we never posted on as a video. We posted on our Facebook page, and many times we bake many various types of things like pizza, then our cakes, different types of cakes and all. So let us see, you will come to know because we have just recently started vlogging about the all our lifestyle, trekking, traveling, all these things on the YouTube. So let's see how we go ahead. Today we have a plan to prepare a cake. So for that we have various ingredients. First of all, you must have a piece of a paper, something where you can mix everything together, because it's a messy job. So always lay a paper below, newspaper, any kind of a newspaper, or a paper or a plastic, anything. Okay, so first of all you should have a big bowl. In that you can mix all the ingredients in a proper manner. Then you must have the main ingredient of this particular cake is maida. Then we have sugar, crushed sugar. Then we have this our essence, cocoa powder, baking powder, oil, and the eggs. Eggs are those ingredients are optional. If you wish to have eggs in it, you can. If you don't want, then it will be a veg cake. That's up to you. Okay, so let us begin the process. We will mix all the dry ingredient first together, and then we will add the liquid ingredient into it. And it is a very easy process. And by the time you start this mixing, you must keep your oven on, so preheating will start. Okay, so let us go ahead. Now we are trying to mix all dry ingredient roughly, so in a sieve, so it will get mixed. And we will do it in a we will do it twice. We are taking care that it should be sieved properly. Now we are mixing it. This is the final one. So the flour and everything, it will be airy and puffy, and whatever solids of anything is there, so we will remove it out. So we have to add all together. These eggs we have broken, and we are taking it in a mixie. Okay, so we are taking oil in the same thing. Our cake measurement is 2 cup, so we are taking 2 cup of 1 cup total, half 2 oils. Now we will mix it up in a mixer, and then this all homogeneous mixture we will add into this powder part. Okay, let's go. So we mixed everything together, and we have added essence also. I have not taken that particular shot, but 10 ml essence I have added into this. Now we will add this all liquid part to this powder part. So when you add, see to it that there are no lump formation. So mix it thoroughly. Mix it thoroughly. There should not be any lump formation in it. last ingredient in it is a little bit milk. So this is half cup of milk, and we have to add into this particular liquid mixture. This has to be homogeneous mixture as what we have got, and the consistency is more important. If you add proper liquid ingredient in it, then we will get a fluffy cake, otherwise it will be a rigid one. Let's see how it comes out, because cake making is a really very tricky thing. We sometimes get a very fluffy cake, sometimes we get a rigid cake. We can play cricket also with that cake. It's like a season ball, sometimes it happens. So this is the consistency what we are looking for. Okay, it should be free flowing, should not be too thick, should not be too loose. So this is the final consistency. Now we are adding this thing into the mold. Let's see. Okay, so we are adding in a mold, and we will bake this for half an hour times in our oven at 200 degrees Celsius. So now we are started our oven for preheating. It is at 200 degrees centigrade, and both things already 10 minutes it's all done. So oven is red hot, and now we are putting our cake inside, and we will put this on convection mode. That's it. The oven is really very hot. So this is the final view of our cake. As I said, something gone wrong, but no issues at all. If you check this particular cake piece, this is fluffy, texture is perfect, it's airy, you can feel that softness like a sponge. It has become like a sponge cake only. We put it into cut pieces, and we already finished half, and rest half now whatever packed, that is for tomorrow's trek, and we will have it in the morning time while doing the trek. Thank you very much. So keep watching our vlogs and videos. Tomorrow we have a plan for a short trek in some secret waterfall nearby Mumbai. Let's see if police permits, then we can move in, and if police restricts, then we have to come back without any video. Thank you very much, and have a nice day, great weekend. Bye bye.